Hey Kevin, what's wrong? Why do you look so weak?
No, I just feel a little dizzy.
Did you have any breakfast?
No, I didn't have time to eat breakfast because I woke up late. So I just go to school then.
Do you want my snack?
It's okay. Lunch is in 3 hours. I'll hold it until then.
Hello, my beautiful student. So, today we're going to have a test right here, right now. Understand, right? Until I say start, then you may start the test. Anyway, as long I don't hear any sound or voice, there won't be any trouble. If I hear any sound or voice, then I will cancel the test. Understand?
Yes, I understand. Okay.
Then you may start the test. Please say start.
Kevin, lower the voice. I'm trying to focus here. God, Jack, where was the food? Let me eat it. I gave it to Gina.
Who's making a noise? Don't let me find out who did it. So who keep making noises?
I think it's Kevin. The thing is, he hasn't eaten anything since this morning. Not me. I think it's Brian. Seriously, not me. I think it's Gina. He is the culprit. He eats a lot.
Who agrees if it's Gina?
I know it was you, Kevin. Not me, sir. No, that is you. You sounded.
Students, now you have 20 minutes left to complete the test.